are phasing for that you're checking of the your column centers, column size at the final stage. It's very difficult to manage. So it's better to have it's a new practice, but you have to you can say mandatory for the these things to get your smooth checking.
Right.
So it's baseline, it is the distance of this both column, but the actual distance between the three is only 1 meter. If here you can go for current scenario, see column 56 is base distance is of 56 2.77, and 57 is for it is 5.90. So difference between these is what? Center to center distance between two columns. But in center line they mention only the baseline dimensions.
If you who are in second year, you will experience it. Those who are in third, fourth year or graduates, if we have studied in the construction management, the scheduling, critical path method, everywhere we are only tracking the activities. What's the start date, what's the end date, and we are just tracking the activities. What about the dependencies? What about the resources? Those have to be equally tracked. And the simple difference between project management and practical project management is tracking the dependencies and making sure the right thing at the right moment is available for the activity to start. One of it is labor colony, is what we have discussed. The next thing we went on to discuss is crash. Even planning a crash is a part of project management.
Engineers, so
you have to,
yes, अपनी जिम्मेदारी से होना चाहिए, because what कि it's our responsibility to make that schedule come back to our original one. See what happened here is what that blue line that is our earlier track. Blue line is our earlier schedule.
Original baseline.
Baseline means जब प्रोजेक्ट शुरू हुआ था. नाउ अभी क्या हुआ, सेकंड शेड्यूल जो था दैट इज व्हाट प्रोजेक्ट शुरू ही हुआ 3 महीने लेट. दैट इज योर रेड लाइन. सो रेड लाइन इज व्हाट so means very much far away from your target. Now you bring that target date more near to your previous one, that is basic one, that is blue line. So
bars at the top, main straight bars at the bottom. So what are the bars that we are going to see? We are going to see bottom straight bars, bottom top bars. Now because wherever we are seeing extra tension, if required in the design, we might see extra steel where in the bottom at the center, we might see extra steel in the bottom at the center, and we might see extra steel in the top at supports.
LD plus 10D भी दिखाया है सर. जैसा कि अभी आपने प्रीवियसली ड्राइंग में दिखाया था, LD 60 इंटू डायमीटर ऑफ द बार लेना है, राइट. सो सर अगर हम 20 mm का भी अगर डायमीटर ऑफ द बार कंसिडर करेंगे तो वो 60 इंटू 20 यानी 1200 mm आ जाएगा. सर अगर ये जो अभी ड्राइंग में दिखा है कि जो हमारा डेवलपमेंट लेंथ है वो बीम के डेप्थ में ही एडजस्ट हुआ है, बट सर अगर वो बीम के डेप्थ के मतलब ज्यादा हो, जैसे कि अभी 1200 mm आया, सो अगर बीम का डेप्थ 1200 mm से कम हुआ तो वो नीचे आ जाएगा ना सर, कॉलम में आ जाएगा निचले वाले. सो यस सर, तो वो कैसे मैनेज करेंगे सर, क्योंकि हम कॉलम तो
यस करेक्ट, आई गॉट इट. सी सपोज इन दैट same logic is applied for the curing compounds. What they provide one film, they painted the footing with that film. That film doesn't allow water to go out. So what happened, that same water will retain for the concrete itself for the curing. So you need not require any curing further. But you have to do one thing like this. So these are the things.
So I mean, as you can read it here, right, it's mentioned it here at the bottom. On drying this particular film, what does it does? On drying, it forms a temporary membrane which allows the concrete. It forms a temporary membrane. So you can, in simple language, you can take the membrane as a lamination, as a film, as a plastic film, which allows the concrete to retain sufficient water.
That water insert that air pressure, pull down, and that if that air pressure should release somewhere, and then only that water can go to the ground floor. To release that air trapped in the pipe, we require
till my fire duct. Okay, now suppose the same way through the fire duct I got my line to the basement. I got it vertically down to the basement. Possible hai? Easy hai? Is it possible? Okay, once I got it vertically down to the basement, let us see what's happening next. How are we, what were this all red lines about, you know, this whole grid about red lines, and how are they translating to something like this arrangement? How are they translating to something like this arrangement? So the lines that you're seeing here in the drawing are nothing but this red lines. Yes.
Actually, the hierarchy is not top bottom, you know, the hierarchy is bottom top, where everyone on site are actually working for you junior engineers. The owners are buying plots for you to construct. The project managers are coordinating for drawings to give it to you. The senior engineers are bringing everything in place to give it to you, right? Now it's up to you that what are we doing out of all of these efforts, right? Because eventually we are the aggregators of everything. We are going to put either everything in place or out of place, and I'm very sure we would be doing the former only. So who can bring this revolution where the quality, right, that has to be the best? The civil engineers, all the civil engineers for that matter, but junior engineers, because we are fighting at the front, right? So that's all from our side. ले लिया पता खत्म. Everyone, can we decode AutoCAD in 5 minutes? As much as it is required on site. Okay, I don't guarantee मैं आपको AutoCAD पूरा सिखाऊंगा, but site पे जितना लग रहा है. Sure, let's start. Okay, so for that, first of all, what you have to do is you have to install this app called AutoCAD, right? You can see here the AutoCAD on your Play Store, right? So once you install this app, you can open any sample drawing. By default इसमें sample drawing भी होती है that you can open and you can check. Okay, so I'll just show you 3 very quick and easy features that we need over here. Simple. Let's